Oh crap, lost signal.
Yeah, I don't know where it is. I don't know where it went. All right. Yes. This is pretty sick. Super tiny. Alright guys, so if you couldn't put two and two together from what you saw in the box, this is actually my first ever FPV drone. I'm super excited. If you watch my Coachella video, then you know I ordered this and you got a little bit of taste of me flying FPV for the first time. I have no experience when it comes to this. I'm very new to this. And that's why, honestly, I'm so excited. Gene recommended this to me. It's just under 300 bucks, and you get everything that you need. You get a controller, you get goggles, and you get a tiny little drone. And honestly, I am beyond excited to get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and charge what I need to charge. I honestly don't even know what I need to do, but I'm gonna get everything set up and I'll check back in with you guys.
3 hours later.
Here we go, guys. Oh, okay, oh, shit, oh, God. It's like Coachella all over again. Here it is. All right, this time I'm gonna set it down right here. You guys are gonna see how dirty this room is. I'm like reorganizing everything, so don't judge me. Oh! Oh my God. I hit myself in the head. Oh! I suck at this. Outside of this room, so that way I don't kill myself. Okay, here we go. Let's try this again. Ah. Why? I swear, like, Gene makes it look so easy, and his drone was easier than this one. I'm just really bad. I'm just really bad at this. Please bear with me. Oh. I think we should take it outside. I think that's a good idea. All right, guys, we're gonna try this again. Outside this time. Wish me luck. Oh crap, I think I'm losing signal. Oh crap, lost signal. Yeah, I don't know where it is. I don't know where it went. Honestly, it's probably on top of somebody's roof or something right now, so. Did that really just happen? Like, maybe this is a sign. I don't know, but yeah. I am disappointed in myself. I'm so bummed and so sad. These things happen though, and I think this is exactly why Gene recommended a smaller, cheaper drone for me to experiment with for my first time for reasons like this. Yeah, I'm going to look online and see if I can find a replacement drone, but yeah, it's gone. I walked around everywhere. I looked in the trees. I'm very tall. I looked like on top of, yeah, I looked everywhere and it's nowhere to be found. I even like started asking people that are outside like, hey, you see a drone fall out of the sky? But no luck. There was a lot more stuff I wanted to do for this video and get some B-roll and stuff, but can't really do that because the drone's gone. So yeah, yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get a replacement and get that shipped here and then get it binded to this remote control and try it again. And obviously I have not learned my lesson because the first time I ever flew a drone, I went through a very, very, very similar scenario. But in that scenario, I was able to recover the drone because I knew exactly where it was. DJI, you know, you can track it, you can see where it is, all that stuff. FPV, not so much. I guess that's gonna be it for this video, you guys. If you liked it, you know the drill, go ahead and smash the like button. It actually makes a difference. If you don't wanna miss anything that I put out, please ring that bell. Also, if you aren't already, follow me on Instagram at Chris Willington. And if you dig my vibe, hit subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.